Hello, I'm Sharon from Hahndorf Walking Tours on the main street of Hahndorf. Now I'm standing in front of Kaffehaus, an authentic cafe right here in the middle of Hahndorf. Now why I'm here is because I want to talk to you about a bakery item that is very popular the world around. It's called the pretzel. Have you ever heard of it? Surely. But if you haven't, here I go. I'm going to tell you about it. The pretzels were made by Catholic priests back in 610, and what they did for the children was they twisted leftover dough into the shapes of the children praying. Now you might pray like this, you might pray in any other way, but they were taught to pray like this, which looks like a pretzel. Now I have one in my bag here. Ta-da! So this is that shape of the children praying. Now in 1450, the Germans took it over and they decided that they would make pretzels for the children to find on Good Friday. So boiled eggs and pretzels were hidden for the children. Now in Switzerland they had another idea. They made them for the royalty to have on the occasion of their weddings. So this was a love knot. So, you know, the pretzels have been used throughout the centuries. When you come to Hahndorf, buy one from the Kaffehaus, purchase one with one of your meals, and think of Hahndorf Walking Tours and my story of the pretzel. Bye!